प्लेयर्स को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, अगले दिन वो भूल चुके होते हैं। मगर जो हमारी कौम है वो नहीं भूलती 20-20 साल, बिकॉज दे लव द गेम सो मच। सो I don't know कौन फेवरेट है, कौन जीते। I would like Pakistan to win and we would like India to win. Fair, that's fair, only fair. We have to support our own teams. But it's early days to say कौन जीतेगा. And it's a very difficult thing to answer कि who will win. I reckon जो semi-finalist होंगे, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के 2-3 प्लेयर इंजर हो गए। The captain Hazelwood and Marcus Stoinis just retired. But they have a good backup. They have a good system. So you know, वो टीम अच्छी है। India is looking really good, especially the way they're playing against England recently at home ground. और पाकिस्तान के chances हैं, home ground है, वो भी आ सकते हैं। So yeah, it's very difficult to predict कौन आएगा। I being a commentator, I really go on the day I do my job, and by the time it's finished, I don't even remember what happened. Like I was at the semi-final last night in Sharjah, मुझे याद भी नहीं क्या हुआ कल।
Yeah, since the new talents are also onboarding in the team, what's your take on that? Like for the youths, everyone want to be in the team of India or Pakistan.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Yeah.
It's hard work, and make sure you have a plan B to every
Of
youngster. Plan B is education.
Exactly.
To fall back, because India is 1.4 billion, Pakistan is almost 250 million people. So हमारी पाकिस्तान की youth ही 65% है. From 18 till 35.
They all gonna want to.
Yeah, but plan B's also should be in place. You can't just have one plan and then pata lage you're not in the team and you're done by. So yeah, work hard, doesn't matter what you do, and nothing comes easy in life, guys. Ask Shakil, I mean even you guys, you work every day. You plan for your future or your businesses ventures. And अगर लोग youngsters समझते हैं कि TikTok पे बैठ के या social media पे बैठ के आ जाएगा, no, that's not gonna happen.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your answer.